We've got a TMG 250 rolling out of shop today. This one on our single axle trailer package going on man Neil, guys. He's got a sharp setup, so let's check it out. First off, on our trailer package, guys, we build all of our trailers in-house and we build them right, all right? I'm talking fully powder coated finish. The whole trailer gets sandblasted, seam sealed, and powder coated all in-house. We don't sandblast in-house. You don't want sand everywhere. We powder coat in-house. Heavy duty 1/8 inch fenders, double frame rail all the way back to the axle. This is a stout trailer, guys. It's got tons of storage on it. We'll check that out in a minute. But on to the pit. So we got our TMG 250 here. Now this one is our rusty patina finish. So we take a tank that Mother Nature has weathered for us over the past 30 years, clean it up, do all our fabrication work, and then clear coat it. Now, yes, guys, it will still continue to patina underneath the clear out. That's why we call it patina finish. Now, as you'll notice when I open up this door, it's very easy, all right? Now, I am a pretty strong guy. It's not because of how strong I am, though. It's because Neil has added the counterweights. So, guys, you don't have to have those on a 250. They do make it a lot easier. Inside here, we got dual sliding top racks. 3 racks on the bottom. Bottom racks are removable. We have a 1.5 inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. Of course, here are those 1/8 inch fenders. I want y'all to hear something. All right, that ain't that flimsy Chinese crap. That's American steel right there, made by Americans for Americans. All right, unless we're shipping it to the UK, it'll work for y'all too. All right, inside here, fully insulated firebox. Insulated door, pipes insulated, and the front's insulated as well. Holds heat great, makes this pit very efficient. Very easy to run. Step around here to the passenger side. We've got one of our stainless prep tops. So this folds up. Plenty of storage underneath. As you can see, storage all the way down the back side of the trailer as well. Fold this back down, prep off of it, serve off of it. You're ready to go. So guys, that is my man Neil's 250 trailer package rolling out today. Shipping it out to him. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom trailer rig built, you know who to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.